Good morning 9th class students. We are discussing lesson number 2 and which is an important problem. Here at a distance of 400 meters away from the signal light, brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with a velocity u is equal to 54 km per hour. Determine the position of the rest of the locomotive relative to the signal light after 1 minute of the application of the brakes if its acceleration is minus 0.3 meter per second square. Here, three things you should remember. U value 54 km per hour, A value meter per second square. The units are not matching. So, we should convert initial velocity into meter per second. They have given in terms of kilometer per hour. So, you should convert into meter per second. For that, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. Okay. Then, acceleration value minus 0.3. Minus means what? The velocity is gradually decreasing. So, it is deceleration concept. So, for deceleration, gradually the velocity decreases and finally reaches to 0. Final velocity is 0. These 3 points. For initial velocity, the units has to change. Acceleration minus, it means it is deceleration concept. So, final velocity is 0. These two things we have learned. We have understood this. And coming to the question, everyone, this is one traffic signal. Okay. Now, the bike is coming. Now, the bike is here. Locomotive is nothing but bike. Okay. Here, it is having initial velocity that is 54 km per hour. And the distance between locomotive and traffic signal, that is 400 meters. To reach from here to here, he requires 1 minute of time. That is his intention. Okay. From the locomotive, traffic signal, the distance between these two, that is 400 meters. And to reach from here to here, he requires 1 minute. Okay. Now, what he is asking, determine the position of rest of the locomotive relative to signal light. Here, the speed is decreasing. So, at one particular point, the final velocity will become 0. Okay. So, he is asking what is the distance between here to here. How much distance? That is asking. Okay. So, here U value 54 km per hour. So, 54 into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 threes are. So, it is 15 meter per second. Conversion over. Deceleration concept. So, V value 0 and A value he is given. Minus 0.3 meter per second square. Now, we have V equal to U plus AT formula. Substitute here. U value 15, A value minus 0.3 into T. This is minus, when comes to here, plus. So, T value will be 15 by 0.3. 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. In the denominator we have a fraction, so it will get reciprocal. 3 ones are 3 fives are 50 seconds. No, it means at 50 seconds the body will come to rest position. At 50 seconds the body will come to rest position. Now we have to find out this distance, right? We can do like this also. The total distance is 400 meters and what is the distance between here? If we find out, then if you subtract from 400, we will get this. Don't confuse, it's very important problem. So within 50 seconds you will get. So how much distance covered by the locomotive in this 50 seconds? We have one formula, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay? The v square value 0. V value 0. 0 square. Minus u value how much? 15. 2 into a value minus 0.3 into s. 15 15s are 225 minus 0.6 s. Minus get cancelled. This is into 0.6. When comes to here, division. So s is equal to 225 by 0.6. 0.6 can be written as 6 by 10. And again it will get reciprocal. Okay. 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 375 meters. So what is the distance between locomotive and the final velocity 0 here, rest position? This is 375. Now what will be the distance from here? 400 minus 375. So now the required distance is 400 minus 375, that is 25 meters. Clear? One more time. This is the traffic signal. This is the locomotive. It is coming with some speed, that is 54 km per hour. Between these two, 400 meters is there, and to reach from here to here, the locomotive requires 1 minute of time. Now, exactly we won't stop here, right? So it came to rest position at this distance. Okay, he is asking that what is the position of the locomotive with relative to traffic signal. It means that he is asking indirect question. This is, he is asking that what is the position. It means what is the distance from these two. That is the question. Okay, so when you find the distance between these two, you will get some figure. Then you can subtract from 400. Then that will be the answer for this. Okay. So here u value is in terms of kilometer per hour. So we have to convert into meter per second. For this we should multiply with 5 by 18. Now the body acceleration is minus 0.3, means deceleration. For deceleration v value, final velocity value is 0. Substitute in the equation v is equal to u plus at. Now you will get t value, that is 50 seconds. What he has given, the locomotive to reach the traffic signal, it requires 1 minute, but within 50 seconds only it comes to rest position. Okay, within 50 seconds only the locomotive comes to rest position. So what is the distance between the locomotive's original position and its rest position? For that, I am using the formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here final velocity is 0. When you calculate, the s value is 375 meters. So the distance between these two is 375 meters. When you subtract from 400, you will get 25 meters. So that is the position of the body locomotive, which is at rest position with relative to signal light. I hope everyone understand. This problem little bit difficult, but everyone should practice for 4 to 5 times. Then you will get it. Okay? Thank you.